is Desiree, and this is Project 3, Week 3 with mobile interfaces and usability. This week we focused on validation, placeholders, good defaults for the form and the form, buttons, basically the add item page, and just implemented jQuery into that. But I'll get into the questions for the reflection. Last month we worked with, we were in VFW and we created our mobile app, which we then brought into MIU to start making it look pretty. So to do that, we use JQM, which is awesome. It makes your mobile application look and feel like a real mobile app, especially when you're testing with the sim. So the difference between those two is basically like the VFW CRUD was the platform or just the canvas for your mobile app, and then of course coming into MIU we threw all the JQM in there, and it gives it the benefits to allow for user attraction. So basically just makes your app look pretty. Hopefully by week 4 I can clear out any errors that I have, which I had a few. But to prepare for next week, I'm definitely going to step away from my computer. I didn't really take time away from it, so I had many 5, 6, or even later in the morning days. So I would get so caught up in trying to fix an error, I got burnt out. So I'm going to take a little break and try to step away from it to see if that helps with the little errors that I have. What went well for me this week? Again, just the overall design. JQM is really easy to use. Although when you get caught up with how to design it, which I do, I'm an artist and I freak out and I go crazy about wanting it to look nice. So of course that slowed me down, and then little errors here and there kind of doesn't really help. But what didn't go so well for me was the validation, the form. I couldn't get some of the buttons to look the way that I wanted to. They weren't coming out right. For example, when you take a look at my form, I'll demonstrate later, but the on and off button, and if anybody has any suggestions, please let me know, because I can't get that to look right. It just looks like a regular button. It'll highlight, but it won't show like the text and the color change. So I wanted that. The swatch, I guess, color change. But I'll go ahead and get into the app. I just want to say good luck everyone in next week, and thanks to everyone who helped me this week. I appreciate it. You guys take a lot of your time out to help other students, and that's great. But I'm just going to go ahead and end my talking right now, and then I'm going to just throw some text in there to show you exactly what I'm doing and move around in my app, so you can kind of get a feel for it, and I'll show you the validation. What I'm going to do is with my Goat app, I'm going to validate in Safari so you can actually see in the local storage, and then I'll do the same as well for iRemember. And of course the two apps are going to be different. My Good app is the Goat one, so you'll see the difference in the video. And basically I like the Goat one better. It's cleaner, it looks like a real app, and the other one just basically looks like a mess. So just give me your feedback and let me know what you think. Okay, good luck.